Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to make a stunning photo collage in Canva. First, open Canva and create a new design. Choose the custom dimensions you prefer for your collage. Commonly, a square format works well. As for me, I'm opening an existing one. So now, we will upload the photos here by clicking this upload tab here in the left sidebar. So you can upload your files, and once you're done uploading your files, you can then drag the photo and drop to your canvas. So for example, here I'm dropping this chicken feet here. As you can see, it is already added. So you can arrange your photos by dragging and dropping. And also, Canva offers various grid templates. You can freely position them for a unique look. So for example, you can search here, Photo Collage, and then choose the one that suits your preference. Next is to insert text captions if you'd like. Here you can insert captions or text just like this one. This can be a quote, a title, or anything meaningful to you. Canva's text tools make it super easy to customize fonts and colors. So you can also add filters to your photos. For example, this one, just click edit photo, and then you can add filters from here, just like that. Once you're satisfied with your collage, simply click the download button. You can find the downloads by clicking this file tab here and click on download and save it to your device. You can choose the file format and quality that suits your needs. And that's it. You now know how to create a beautiful photo collage in Canva. It's a fantastic way to preserve memories and share them with your friends and family. Remember, the best collage often tell a story or evoke a feeling. So get creative and have fun. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to make a photo collage in Canva. See you on my next video.